Hajj is not just a journey of miles, it's a journey of the heart, a pilgrimage of the soul. It is a profound experience where the mundane becomes sacred and the heart is cleansed of its burdens. In the unity of Hajj, we find a reflection of the unity of humanity. Pilgrims from every corner of the world come together, equal before the house of God, embodying the principle of equality and unity in diversity. Hajj is a testament to the power of faith and submission. It's a journey of surrender, where the pilgrim casts aside worldly attachments and offers their heart to the divine. The Kaaba stands as a beacon of hope, calling out to the hearts of pilgrims. In every circumambulation, we find a chance to start anew, to seek forgiveness, and to become better versions of ourselves. Hajj is a journey of self-discovery. It's a path where we confront our weaknesses, ask for forgiveness, and find strength in our vulnerability. The holy journey of Hajj is a profound reminder of the transitory nature of life. It teaches us to focus on our spiritual journey and seek God's pleasure above all else. In the footsteps of Ibrahim and Hagar, pilgrims retrace a story of faith, sacrifice, and divine providence. Hajj is a living testament to the enduring legacy of faith. The Valley of Arafat, where pilgrims stand in prayer and supplication, is a place of transformation. It's where burdens are lifted, sins forgiven, and hearts are cleansed. In the act of stoning the devil during Hajj, we symbolically reject the temptations and vices that hinder our spiritual growth. It is a powerful declaration of our resolve to overcome evil. Hajj is a journey that transcends time and space. It connects us with the legacy of the Prophet Ibrahim, the devotion of Hagar, and the spiritual aspirations of countless pilgrims throughout history.